and good evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is a very short video on how to do fennel oil. A very short way and simple way to do your fennel oil without stress at home. It's all about how to do your fennel oil, and for the course of this video you're needing your fennel seed. This is your fennel seed and this is how it looks like. I got mine from Yisa Organic, that's the Instagram name. And this is your olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Be sure to get a very good one. So for the course of the video we shall be needing only 2 recipes. That's if you are doing this for the purpose of making your hair grow, or if you are doing it for the purpose of your backside, that's your bum. If you want your bum to grow, then you will need vitamin A. But for the course of this video, I'm making it for hair. So this is how the fennel seed looks like after grinding it. As you can see, it's being grinded. Look at it, grind it very well. And this is it before grinding it. The next step is to pour the grinded fennel powder inside a container and mix it with your olive oil before storing it. Yeah, so far so good. This is how the mixture of olive oil and fennel powder will look like after combining the both. So from this step, or from this method, the next thing to do is to keep it for a period of 1 week or 4 days. Then you squeeze it out, you squeeze the oil out and discard the chaff before you start making use of it. But note, if you are making use of the fennel oil for bum growth, for your buttocks, make sure to add your vitamin E to it. But if you're not making use of it for the purpose of growing your bum, then you can use it like that for your hair. You can mix it with your cream. That's it. If you're watching my video for the first time, please turn on your notification button and subscribe to my channel to be getting more of these videos, so that you won't be spending much money on buying things from market when you can do it at home. See you next time. Thank you.